Good day, everyone. This is our anatomy review of the day. Today, we will talk about the contents of the spermatic cord. To remember the contents, we have several useful mnemonics. The first I'd like to share is papers don't contribute to a good specialist level. Kindly follow our cursor along. P is for the pampiniform plexus of veins. D is for the ductus deferens, also known as the vas deferens. C is for the cremasteric artery. T is for the testicular artery. A is for the artery of the vas deferens. G is for the genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve. S is for the sympathetic nerve fibers, also known as the autonomic nerve fibers. And L is for the lymphatics. Again, papers don't contribute to a good specialist level. Pampiniform plexus, the ductus deferens, the cremasteric artery, the testicular artery, the artery of the vas deferens, the genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve, and the sympathetic nerve fibers and the lymphatics. A second useful mnemonic is to remember that the spermatic cord contains three arteries, three nerves, three fascias, and three other things. The three arteries are the testicular, the differential, and the cremasteric arteries. The three nerves are the genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve, the cremasteric nerve, and the sympathetic nerve fibers. The three fascias are the external spermatic fascia, the cremasteric fascia, and the internal spermatic fascia. And the three other things are the ductus deferens, the pampiniform plexus, and the lymphatics. Our anatomy review of the day.